welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've actually done a sit-down video with me talking. Today I have a very interesting video for you. It's kind of has to do with your skin. I am getting older, unfortunately, and I deal with dry skin, large pores, and all that good stuff. So I was at the store the other day and I saw this product. It was by the As Seen on TV section, and it is this product right here. It is called Dermasuction, and what it's supposed to do is suck out all the dirty, grimy, nasty stuff that's in your pores and make them look smaller and make you look more youthful. So if you want to see if this product works, then keep on watching. Alright, so what this product comes with is the vacuum, the thing that sucks out all that nasty stuff. It has 4 heads for it. It's got the oval head, small head, a sonic head, and a large head. And on the side it tells you what they all do. The small head gently suctions for an everyday use, so you can use it every day if you use the small head. The large head is a stronger suction, and it's for blackheads. The oval head is an oval opening for getting into corners of the nose and mouth. And the sonic head helps exfoliate while pulling out dirt and oil from the skin. So I am gonna try all of these today for you and see how well this works. So let's open it up. And also this does take 2 AA batteries, just a heads up if you do decide to get this. The first head on it already, it is the oval head, and it looks something like this. Here's the on and off switch, which I did put batteries in here already, so it sounds like this. And it just sounds like a vacuum. Let's see. And it's got like a suction to it already. This one, the oval head, is for like on the side of the nose and then like around the mouth area. So I am gonna zoom you up. Don't get scared now, and we'll try it out. It's got a pulling suction to it, and as you can see, it's making my nose red already. Kind of hurts when it pulls, and it does have 2 speeds, so that I had it on the first speed and it goes really high, which I kind of wouldn't recommend, because just by doing that first speed it had a lot of pulling. And it made my nose itchy and runny now because it was pulling. But let me zoom up on this thing and you can see all the stuff that was coming out of it. Let's see if you can see. But there is little white things in here and a lot of oil, because I do get oily in the T-zone, forehead, nose, and here, and I get really dry, especially up on my forehead. So, but that was the oval head. Now we will go in with this, let's go in with the Sonic head, and it's an exfoliator, and so it gets rid of the dirt and oil from the skin. So this thing looks like this. It's got like this metal tip right here, and it's rough. It's got a circle on it. So I am gonna go ahead and put it on the first speed and then do it on my forehead. As you can see, it is sucking quite well, and that's on the first one. And all you do is just rub it around. And I do have sensitive skin, so let me zoom you up a little bit more. You can see it around my pores. It doesn't hurt. It kind of looks like it does, but it doesn't. It is making my face really red, but we can see if you see anything. It's hard to tell, but there is a lot of dirt inside of it. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. Not sure if it's really picking up. But this is how my face is looking so far. It's red, but it's starting to feel really, really smooth. Alright, so next we'll go in with the small head. And this says you can use this daily. It's got, I believe, like less irritation. So let's zoom you in and show you what this looks like. It does have a smaller circle. And I will show you the big head because I'm not going to use that today. But this is how the bigger head looks like. And then that's the smaller head. So. Alright, so let's put this everywhere. So I can zoom me up a little bit more. I don't know if I would. Oh yeah, look at my face. It's really, really red. Oh my god, look at my pores too. Ah, to me, I feel like it made my pores more out there. Oh yeah, my face is really red. Ah! Oh wow. Let me see if I can show you the stuff that came out. Let me see if I can take the tip off and then maybe zoom in on this. I do recommend this product if you have very, very dry skin. This exfoliating, what is this called? Yeah, the exfoliating head, like this, literally will get rid of all that dry skin, which is amazing. So I do recommend this product, especially for dry skin. Sensitive skin, you just have to get used to the pulling sensation and your face being red. So I do have the marks, but it'll go away. So, and especially if you use this and then put makeup on right away, it'll cover it right up. So, I think I paid like $19.99 for this at Walmart. So I will see if I can find a link and put it down below for you. But yeah. Alright beauties, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video. Until then, bye beauties.